We them boys. Holla, we them boys. Holla, 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 we making noise. Holla, holla, we them boys. Holla, 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 we them boys. It's still bigger than hell.
Should have made a video when I left my house, would have been a lot more entertaining, but quick recap. Tried to make it to Vermont last night. Made it about 100 miles until the roads were too sketchy and I had to pull off. Found the nearest hotel, which is in, where am I? Hanover, New Hampshire, and about 100 yards away from Dartmouth College. So I've been snowed in, and I got my buddy Mark coming up, pick me up, back on the road to Vermont and camping.
Already gotten quite a few reports between 10 and 12 inches.
There he is. Let's go. I'm having fun. It is a little cold and there's a lot of snow. I think you can see the guys back there. Trailblazer. I'm in first place. Let's go.
I just know for a fact that for every pound
What up, dude?
of shit you carry up, the slop, the dogs and beans, it's all gonna be worth it.
Oh my god, yeah. We're gonna be living like kings up there.
Yes.
Hell yeah. Only about halfway there.
What's up, dog? What's up? 2022, baby.
Snowshoeing it in, man.
I'm not even in the shot.
Oh, there it is. Whoa! Homemade snowshoes
Alright, so
versus
I know where I'm going.
good shoes.
Alright. That might be a problem. Let's go! Alright. You think I'm gonna be able to bring this straight over?
Give me a second.
What up?
Swap cleared on the right. That's the ski trail.
Alright.
Yeah, you're good.
Alright. So we went off trail a little bit so we could try to get a shortcut. So we can go directly up the hill, but we can't find the path that we want to take. So I think we're going parallel. So far, feeling good. Probably about half hour into the travel. Maybe have another half hour left. How you feeling?
Feeling great, man. Tired, but I'm feeling great.
All right, we're stuck. Lost the trail. Path's going up to Scout. It's a little tricky. Oh, we'll figure this out. I see it. Oh, thank God. I have no idea how long I've been walking. But I made it. We are ditching gear left and right, so we'll have to go back eventually. We'll take the packs off, get something to drink, start a fire, warm up, take a break, and go back. Oh, we made it.
The cows come home. That's my favorite.
We made it.
Oh yeah, we're on like 3 days here.
On our way back to get some of the gear that we left. I see the gear. Decided not to bring the snowshoes on this one. All right, let's see what we got. Speaker and a cooler.
But I just want that. You can tip the whole thing out over once the coals are out of it. Okay. And just knock all the snow off. Right.
Oh yeah, Paul Bunyan.
I doubt it's yummy. I literally brought it because I thought it would be easy for us to just
Let's go, Pat.
dump into a pot and eat. And everything that will do
Oh yeah, bud. Check you out, even on the video. What up, dude?
Never go back, life without parole, upstate, shackled and trapped, living in the hole, looking at the world through a crack. That I'd rather shoot it out and get clapped. I want
Bright side, at least the tank's already on.
All right, this is Eric, aka Derek Donnelly, aka Dada Donnelly, aka Mountain Man Scruff, and we're getting cozy.
Oh yeah. Woo!
I'm guessing 3/4 of us are awake. 4 out of 4 are awake now, and we are living it.
Surviving and surviving.
Good morning.
What up, dude?
7:15. All woke up at 6. We are in our bags, nice and toasty.
Realistically, we woke up at 1. We all had to take a piss at 1.
Good morning.
Take 2.
It's 7:15. We are in our bags, all toasty. We woke up at 6.
Technically, we woke up at 1:30.
But it was so nice
we all
and
had to
toasty.
pee.
I think the game plan is to cut some wood, boil water, get coffee, get some slop, get some hot substance in our body. Then we'll get the day away.
Yeah.
Fuego.
No, but I'm thinking like the wall.
All right, so I built a quick fire, get the coffee on. It is very cold. Just to have my hand out of my glove hurts. So I'll try to do this quick. Build a small fire. The idea is then put this on top of here, boil the water, then have hot coffee. Oh, we got our own little snow fort. What do we got? What do we got? How many eggs you put in?
All of them.
There's only one answer. All of them.
Grab the pot and the pan. What up? Hey, no.
That alarm going up. I forgot my beer. Packing up.
Yeah, Bubba.
Is that a full cooler?
Yeah. You know it.
Yeah, that's a good idea because I don't use it. Yeah, but I'll just wrap it up so nothing gets.
What up?
Feeling good, easy to walk, considering we are going over our same tracks from yesterday. What we're thinking about doing is not drag our sleds the entire time. The owner of this land made a ski slope, very unofficial, but we might be able to send our packs down on sleds all the way down. Ooh, that was close. Oh, fuck. Making our way down.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Just stopped for a quick break and saw a bunch of deer run across that valley. So this is the guy's cabin. This is his land. There's no road, just open field that you drive through. We're almost at the end. It's a lot easier when there's a track. Talking out of nowhere.